Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay in App Store. So first, in your iPhone, you may want to head over and click on App Store. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. Then click on your profile. The next step is click on Manage Payments. This will let you see all the payment methods available on your iPhone. Now, for you to be able to pay with Apple Pay, you have to make sure that Apple Pay is already added as a payment method. And to do that, click on Add Payment Method. Now, depending on your country or region, you should see Apple Pay available as a payment method option in this page. So make sure that you choose Apple Pay. So make sure that you enter details about your Apple Pay, and once it's added, head over and click on Done. And once done, you should be able to use it to pay for paid apps found in App Store, such as this app Minecraft. And all you have to do is click on it and proceed with paying using your Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!